Today is April the 11th, and this is Oran Bethay. She is going to talk today about how Dr. Gittens has helped her over the years. So I'm going to let her tell a little bit of her testimony now.
Maybe about 3 years ago, I had an injury of unknown origin. My back was aching, my pelvis had rotated, and I was unable to walk. Someone had mentioned Dr. Gittens as a chiropractor, and I have to admit I was skeptical about chiropractic care, but I decided to visit Dr. Gittens. When I had come into his office, he had to wheel me in. I could not walk. When I left out of the office, I was able to walk back out of the door. He adjusted my pelvis and put it back in place, and the pain was 95% gone. I just had some residual soreness, but that went away. I later used Dr. Gittens when I was in a motor vehicle accident. I had some injury to my lower back, and this really changed my quality of life just a bit, and he was able to work with me and improve that quality, and I didn't have to take any pain medications that I was prescribed. If I took any, it had to be 1 or 2 pills, but it was so insignificant you can't even count it. I also used him after I had a surgical procedure. The procedure was very invasive, and once I had gone back to see the surgeon, he looked at the wound and he said, "What are you doing to this incision?" And I said, "Well, I'm seeing a chiropractor. I'm having laser therapy." He said, "Well, that doesn't work, but your wound looks really good." So he says, "Your wound does not look 6 weeks old. It looks like a 6-month-old incision." So I'm convinced that chiropractic care is invaluable, and I will always use a chiropractor.
Wow, what an awesome testimony. Thank you so much, Miss Bethay.
Well, you're welcome.